Welcome. In front of me is a Vivo Y97 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, which is already open and visible on my screen. And once your content is open and visible on your display, just hold power button and volume down at the same time. You get the sound along with a flash and a pop-up that allows you to capture a long screenshot and the share. And this does disappear on its own after a moment. So once it disappears, you can find your screenshot in your album application. Let's navigate to albums. And in here, you'll find an album called Screenshots, in which obviously you will find only screenshots. And here is the one that I have captured just a second ago. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.